My name is Roberto Carlos Flores de la Cruz. Beloved heart, the question to be developed. Number one of us technology change human life in your community. Today, technology has helped us a lot tasks to when can contact each other regardless of distance. Most students can make in here and try hopes to achieve a better performance at school. Number two, what possibility have negative aspect the job in your community has had the use of technology today. Los positive aspect technology has made possibility for IPOP to learn more every day. Most of students have improved their academic performance. Negative aspect manager POP want to spend high art day. Team play video games and on social networks with you caring about other thing. Thank you very much.